You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from German. This is indeed from German, meaning green in German. If you want to learn more German surnames, names, vocabulary, stay tuned. Grün is the German pronunciation. Ü, the sound of the U here is Ü. Grün. If you cannot pronounce German, you can say it as grün, grün, or grün. Not grün, grün. Are you able to pronounce it? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.